It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question number 41. We have limit as x approaches 0, x squared over 1 minus cosine x. Okay, first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute 0 for x. So numerator will be equal to 0 squared, which is equal to 0, right? Denominator, that's going to be 1 minus cosine 0. Cosine 0 is equal to 1, right? So 1 minus 1, that's also 0, right? So we will have to transform this expression into another expression using trigonometric formula, trigonometric identities, right? So we're going to multiply 1 plus cosine x in the numerator and denominator. Then we will have limit as x approaches 0, x squared times 1 plus cosine x over 1 minus cosine times 1 plus cosine, that's 1 minus cosine squared, right? Okay, from trigonometric identity, we know that sine squared plus cosine squared is equal to 1, right? Then 1 minus cosine squared is equal to sine squared, right? So that is equal to limit as x approaches 0, 1 minus cosine squared, that's sine squared. And we have x squared, right? X squared times 1 plus cosine, so times 1 plus cosine x, right? We know that limit as x approaches 0, x over sine x, that is equal to 1, right? So this is going to be equal to limit as x approaches 0, x over sine x squared, right? Because it's x squared over sine squared times 1 plus cosine x, right? So the limit of this expression right here, x over sine x, that's 1. So 1 squared times 1 plus, substitute 0 for x. So cosine 0, right? That is equal to 1. So that's going to be 1 times 1 plus 1. The answer must be 2.